The next step on this spindle for the Windsor chair, I've tapered using the draw knife. I've tapered down to this 5/16 octagon up here, but the template for this spindle, here you can see the three bamboo joints, and the diameter at this node up here needs to be 9/16, and it also needs to be 9/16 down here. Right now it's more like 5/8, so I need to taper, and then out here at the end it's 5/16 diameter, so I need to taper all the way back from here all the way out to the top. Now I could do that on the shaving horse, but I prefer just to use a block plane. And let's see, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to do taper down to the top there, and then rotate 90 degrees and I should stop, and then rotate 90 degrees. And then rotate 90 degrees. All right, now I can do the other four parts of the octagon. And then rotate 90. And then rotate 90. And now I'm going to knock off the octagon shape and do these edges. So this is getting more circular rather than octagonal. But I know I'm not anywhere close to where I need to be on this taper. Now I need to be at 9/16 diameter at these nodes, and I have an open end wrench here, and I'm not close to that yet. So I need to take quite a bit off right in this area. Let's see if I'm getting close here. Ah, I can see that that fits there. But not on that part. So I'm close on part of it, but still fat. Okay. Ah, that is almost there. And the wrench actually provides some, shows me where the high spots are. Okay. All right. That's my 9/16 there. Now I need 9/16 also down here. This is 5/8 down at that node. So I need 9/16 down here. I think I'm going to go back on the shaving horse and get that to the 9/16.